Students, in this question we have to find all the asymptote of the given algebraic curve, that is x cube plus 2x square y minus xy square minus 2y cube plus x square minus y square minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. So first we use here shorter method. So we know that in shorter method, first we find here phi nm. Phi nm is the nth degree term. Phi nm is obtained by x by putting x equal to 1 and y is equal to m in the highest degree term. Here we can see the highest degree term for x cube plus 2x square y and minus xy square minus 2y cube, because these are 3 degree term. So we write here phi 3m, and phi 3m can be obtained when we put x equal to 1 and y is equal to m in the highest degree term. So phi 3m is equal to 1 plus 2m minus m square minus 2m क्यूब. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर जो गिवन कर्व की इक्वेशन है ये 3 डिग्री इक्वेशन है. अब इस गिवन कर्व में हम सबसे पहले phi 3m फाइंड करेंगे. phi 3m मीन्स इसको फाइंड करने के लिए x के प्लेस पे 1 और y के प्लेस पे m सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री टर्म है, हाईएस्ट डिग्री यहाँ पर 3 है, तो 3 डिग्री के 4 टर्म्स हैं, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ. तो इन 4 टर्म में आपको x के प्लेस पे 1 और y के प्लेस पे m सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. So we get here phi 3m is equal to 1 plus 2m minus m square minus 2m cube. Now we put here phi 3m is equal to 0 and get an equation in m, that is 1 plus 2m minus m square minus 2m cube is equal to 0. Now we multiply this equation by minus 1, so we can write this 2m cube plus m square minus 2m minus 1 equal to 0. Now we taking common m square from these two terms, so we get here 2m plus 1 and we take common 1, so we get 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2m plus 1 and m square minus 1 is equal to 0, so we use formula a square minus b square and factorize this. So 2m plus 1 and here this is m square minus 1 square and a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So this can be written as m plus 1 m minus 1 equal to 0. So if we write 2m plus 1 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0 or m minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we find m is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 and 1. तो आप देख सकते हैं जो गिवन इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व में थर्ड डिग्री के टर्म थे, इसने इसके प्लेस पे 1 और y के प्लेस पे m सब्स्टिट्यूट करके phi 3m फाइंड किया. फिर phi 3m फाइंड करने के बाद phi 3m को 0 के इक्वल रख के जो इक्वेशन m में बनेगी उससे m की वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी फाइंड हियर phi 2m. So phi 2m can be obtained by putting x equal to 1 and y is equal to m in the second highest degree term. Here the second highest degree term are second degree term, that are x square minus y square. So we put here 1 square minus m square. So phi 2m is equal to 1 minus m square. Now we differentiate this phi 3m with respect to m. So we get differentiation of 1 is 0 here and differentiation of 2m is 2 and differentiation of m square is minus 2m and differentiation of m cube is 3m square. 3m square multiplied by 2, so this is 6m square. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर phi 2m फाइंड करने के लिए जो सेकेंड डिग्री टर्म है, सेकेंड डिग्री टर्म यहाँ पर x स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर है, तो इसमें x के प्लेस पे 1, y के प्लेस पे m सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया है. 1 स्क्वायर माइनस m स्क्वायर, दैट इज 1 माइनस m स्क्वायर. तो phi 2m मिल गया. अब इसके बाद आप phi 3 डैश m निकालेंगे, यानी phi 3m को 1 टाइम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे m के रेस्पेक्ट में, तो 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन 0 हो गया, 2m का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 हो गया, m स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2m होगा और m क्यूब का डिफरेंशिएशन 3m स्क्वायर होगा. Now we get here phi 3 dash m. So we using here formula c is equal to minus phi n minus 1m divided by phi n dash m. Here n is the highest degree of the given curve, and here in this question highest degree of this curve is 3. So we write here minus 3 minus 1, that is 2. So phi 2m divided by phi 3 dash m. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर c is equal to minus phi n minus 1m upon phi n dash m में n is the highest degree of the given equation of curve. Here the highest degree of the given equation of curve is 3. So in place of n we put n is equal to 3. आप देख सकते हैं जो given curve है इसमें highest degree 3 है, तो n के प्लेस पे आप 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो फार्मूला बन जाएगा c is equal to minus phi 2m upon phi 3 dash m. Now we put here phi 2m and phi 3 dash m. So c is equal to we multiply this minus by phi 2m, so we get here m square minus 1 divided by 2 minus 2m minus 6m square. Now we find here values of c corresponding m is equal to 1 minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. अब हम इस फार्मूले में m के प्लेस पे 1 minus 1 और minus 1 by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके c की वैल्यू फाइंड करें. Now corresponding m is equal to 1, we get c is equal to 1 square minus 1 divided by 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 6 into 1 square. So this can be 1 square 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 2, and this 1 square is 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, and we know that this 2 is cancelled out, so 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0 divided by minus 6, so this is equal to 0. So corresponding m is equal to 1, we get c is equal to 0. Now we find value of c corresponding m is equal to minus 1. So we put here corresponding m is equal to minus 1, we find c, this is minus 1 square minus 1 divided by 2 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 6 into minus 1 square. So minus 1 square, so here we write if we take m is equal to minus 1, corresponding m is equal to minus 1, we get c is equal to here, this is minus 1 square minus 1 divided by 2 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 6 multiplied by minus 1 square. And we know that minus 1 square, this is equal to plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2, and this minus multiplied by minus, we get 2 here minus 6 and minus 1 square, this is plus 1. So we can find c is equal to 0 because this is 1 minus 1 0, 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 6, this is minus 2, so c is equal to 0. So corresponding m is equal to 1, we get c is equal to 0. Corresponding m is equal to minus 1, we also get c is equal to 0. आप देख सकते हैं m is equal to 1 के corresponding भी c की वैल्यू 0 है और m is equal to minus 1 के corresponding भी c की वैल्यू 0 है. Now we find value of c corresponding m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So in this formula we put here m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 square minus 1 divided by here 2 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 minus 6 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 square. So here c is equal to this minus square is plus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus 1 divided by 2, this minus minus plus 2 cancel out, so this is 1, and here this minus 6 and minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 minus 1, this is equal to minus 3 by 4 divided by here we take 2 plus 1, this is 3 minus, and this 6 cancel by 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, so this is 3 upon 4. Now we taking here LCM minus 3 by 4, and here take LCM 2 2 3 are 6 minus 3, So this is minus 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 2. So this is 4 cancel by 2 and 3 cancel by 3. So this is minus 1 by 2. So corresponding m is equal to minus 1 by 2. We get here value of c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now the asymptotes are, so the asymptotes are m is equal to 1 and c is equal to 0 is y is equal to x, and m is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus x, and corresponding m is equal to minus 1 by 2 and c is equal to minus 1 by 2, we get y is equal to minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2. So the asymptotes are, x minus y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 0, and x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here the asymptote of the given algebraic curve are x minus y is equal to 0, comma x plus y is equal to 0, comma x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we use shorter method for finding the asymptote of the given algebraic curve. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें. थैंक यू.